Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI, and this is a product I can't live without. It's the ordinary salicylic acid. So even though I'm in my late 30s, I still suffer with a lot of breakouts, especially in the area around my face. When I wear a mask, it definitely clogs my pores and I definitely break out a lot more. But this product I've noticed has really helped control my breakouts. It's a really gentle formula, but also extremely effective. Let me show you what it looks like. So first of all, I love how the ordinary products come with a little dropper, so it really makes the application so much easier to apply. So the salicylic acid is quite liquidy. It has a little bit of a thicker texture, but it dries in really fast and it has no smell, which is really nice. So I've been using this product usually at nighttime. I apply it all over my skin, or you could also just put it on any spots, any areas that need a little bit of extra help. And then I always follow it with a nice moisturizer and hyaluronic acid. So this is a product that I use every single day. I will continue using it as I'm continuing suffering with these breakouts, but it's helped me so much and I know it's gonna help you as well. And that's my point of view.